Merton Place is a purpose-built nursing home based on the North Wales coast in Colwyn Bay. We have 54 spacious rooms offering specialist care.
I think people coming into care homes have a preconceived idea about what a care home might look like. We don't look like that. We're light and bright, and I think that there is life here.
The most important thing for me is the happiness of the residents. The residents need to feel safe and secure. They need to feel like this is their home, and I think the carers and the nurses help them feel that.
The care staff and the nursing staff provide a really high level of care to the residents. We all share the same values, really, of putting the resident at the heart of their care.
David's been here for 2 years. The care here is excellent. Yes, it's given me a bit of my life back.
There are those that are active, there are those that are in bed. So each residence is unique here. So we provide what the resident needs. Total nursing care.
She's very happy here. As I say, she's very well looked after. She thinks she's at home now. We couldn't ask for more, put it that way.
The care that we give to them, it makes them feel included. It makes them feel, that they are at home.
It's just about giving residents a choice, really, so they can choose when they want to get up.
Find out what their interests are, what they used to do in their spare time. We're trying to make everyone who lives here live their best life.
So the purpose-built environment means that we can provide the cleanest and the safest care to our residents. We've got a dining room on each floor. That means that it doesn't matter how restricted the residents are in terms of their mobility. We've got a safe, accessible garden. We have activities going on every day, Monday to Friday.
Activities are an important part because we get together to do them. That's what makes a community. It's what people need. They should feel a part of something.
When residents come here, very often we really do see a difference in them.
And they realise that actually they've come here to, live a life, and they can here.
I'd encourage anybody who's thinking about taking that next step to come and have a look round, see what we offer, see the care that's provided here.